Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffer here and welcome back again to my channel. Today we have two mid-range contender which are making wave in tech world with 5G capability. And this is the comparison between the Honor X9b and the Moto Edge 40 Neo. Two mid-range smartphones that offers impressive features and performance. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of design, display, camera, battery and more. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. Now let's start with the design. Both phones have curved glass front, a plastic frame, and a plastic back. The Honor X9b has a slightly larger and thicker body than the Moto Edge 40 Neo. It is also weighs more. The Honor X9b comes in three colors: sunrise orange, midnight black, and emerald green. The Moto Edge 40 Neo has three color options as well. There is a Black Beauty, Canal Bay, and Shooting Sea. The Moto Edge 40 has an IP68 rating for dust and water resistant, while the Honor X9b does not have any official rating. Both phones don't have a 3.5 headphone jack, so you have to deal with wireless headphones. Now in terms of the display, the Honor X9b has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1220 by 2652 pixels, a refresh rate of 120Hz, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. The Moto Edge 40 has a 6.55-inch POLED screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a refresh rate of 144Hz, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits. Both screens have a punch hole notch for the selfie camera and supports HDR10+. The Honor X9b has a higher pixel density, a higher resolution, and a brighter screen than the Moto Edge 40 Neo. But the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a higher refresh rate and a curved display as well. Moving on to the performance, the Honor X9b is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 2.2 GHz. The Moto Edge 40 Neo uses the MediaTek Dimensity 7030 chipset, which is a 6nm octa-core processor with a clock speed of up to 2.5 GHz. Both phones have 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. But the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a faster UFS 2.2 storage type. Both phones run on Android 13 with their own custom UIs. The Moto Edge 40 Neo has a Moto Ready for feature that allows you to connect the phone to a monitor or TV and use it as a desktop. Now let's move on to the camera. The Honor X9b has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro camera. The Moto Edge 40 Neo has a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main camera and a 13MP ultra-wide camera. Both phones have a LED flash, HDR, panorama, and 4K video recording. The Honor X9b has a higher resolution main camera and an extra macro camera as well. But the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a multi-directional face detection autofocus and OIS for the main camera. For the front camera, the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a 32MP selfie shooter, while the Honor X9b has a 16MP selfie shooter. Both phones have HDR and 4K video recording for the front camera. Now, in terms of the battery performance, the Honor X9b has a 5800 mAh battery, while the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a 5000 mAh battery. Both phones supports fast charging, but the Moto Edge 40 Neo has a faster 68 watts wired charging, while the Honor X9b has a 35 watts wired charging. The Moto Edge 40 Neo can charge up to 50% in 15 minutes, while the Honor X9b can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Now let's talk about the price. The Honor X9b is priced at 1,299 dirhams, while the Moto Edge 40 Neo is priced at 1,349 dirhams here in Dubai. The Honor X9b is a bit cheaper than the Moto Edge 40 Neo, but it depends on what features are you looking for in a smartphone. Now finally, Let me tell you my conclusion. Now, here is my final verdict. The Honor X9b and the Moto Edge 40 Neo are both decent mid-range smartphones that offer good features and performance. The Honor X9b has a better display, a bigger battery, and a higher resolution main camera than the Moto Edge 40 Neo. But it is more heavier and thicker, but it is more cheaper. The Moto Edge 40 Neo has a faster processor, a faster storage type, a faster charging speed with a water-resistant rating, and a Moto ready for feature that the Honor X9b lacks. Depending on your preference and budget, you can choose either of these two phones. Alright guys, that's our full comparison between the Honor X9b and the Motorola Edge 40 Neo. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.